Hello, my name is Thomas. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. The reason I'm contacting you today is I found your site here on the web, and I wanted to show you how you could improve your website as far as getting it redone or actually getting more content added to improve your rankings on Google, which in turn would boost as far as the number how you're seen, how many calls that you get every day, and obviously more business would be coming in. So I want to show you a couple things. You've got a fairly decent site. It basically goes over what you do. Some great pictures. But first thing what we need to do to help improve this is add a lot more content. Google loves good authoritative content that improves your rankings, which in turn allows you to be seen by more customers and you get more phone calls and more business. Another thing they really need to get fixed here is your page is not mobile friendly. Why is that important? Well, basically everybody's going to their they're going to their phones and they're going to their tablets. Really getting away from desktops and laptops. So people are doing more searches by their phones, obviously, than anything by computer anymore. So it's very important that you get this fixed. As you can see, this site is pretty much useless on a site. That's something you want to get fixed. Now, if you're interested in getting a good site built for your company that is mobile friendly, that is inexpensive, and that will actually help you with improving your rankings, please give me a call or send me an email. I'll leave my contact information in the email, and you have a great day.